Okay, so let me zoom in on these corners. So you can see that these two corners are completely different. So this one has this smooth angle, and this one here is just completely off. So let's go and fix that. So I'm just going to delete these objects here and then just bring in a new cube and scale that on the x-axis 2 times like that. So now if we click N and go to item, we can see now that we have changed our scale on the x-axis. So this one is set to 2. But what we haven't done is applied the scale into the very core essence of the Blender world. So to do that, we need to go Control and A and apply the scale. And now you can see that this number dropped down from 2 to 1. And now your bevel modifier will work. So from here, you can just jump into edit mode and make sure that you are in edge select mode, deselect everything. You can hold down Shift, Control and Alt, and that will select all of these edges here. And now if I go into top view, we can click Control and B and then just use a mouse and drag it in like that. So now if I just drop my mouse, you can also use the mouse wheel here, but I'm just gonna drop it like that. You can see that this little window is popping up, and here we can bring in our segments. And I'm gonna set this to 100, and now we have these nice round corners. And from here we can just go and do our thing. So that's it. Have a great day and peace out.